Hello everyone, and welcome to your DeFiner update, where we talk about the latest updates on everything DeFiner, who we are, what we do, our future plans, the benefits of being a DeFiner and being a member of our community, and a few surprises that will come along the way. So it's an honor to have you with us today. For those of you who are tuning in during the live session or after the live session, we want to tell you thank you. Thank you for being with us and for being a part of this wonderful project, DeFiner. I would like to start this week by saying who we are, right? Maybe some of you are familiar with DeFiner. Maybe some of you are not familiar with DeFiner. And I want to give you an idea of who we are and what we do and why what we're doing is important at this moment. So, DeFiner. It sounds like a verb, right? To define, a definer. We're defining something, but really, DeFiner. What we do, we're in the decentralized finance industry, or DeFi, which is related to the crypto industry. And we are a decentralized finance protocol for crypto savings, loans, and payments. So in DeFiner, what we do is that it's a financial technology that is based on blockchain or distributed ledgers, similar to those used by crypto or cryptocurrencies. You're very familiar probably with crypto or want to learn more or are in the process of experimenting, trying a few projects, protocols, etc. So it's very related to that, what we do here at DeFiner. And what is our purpose? Why are we DeFiner? What are we doing with what it's given to us? So DeFiner is building. We're building a DeFi, a very permissionless, configurable DeFi lending protocol with your privacy 100% protected. Our vision is really to build a non-custodian, decentralized digital bank to return the true financial power back to you, back to the people. I know that in my experience, using the traditional financial system, I just have this feeling that they're just out to take advantage of you. The returns that you get, the benefits are not really there, and it's kind of like a win-lose situation where I'm short end of the stick, so to speak. So I think it's important to give that power back to the people, and there's nothing I think more empowering than being or having the means to be financially free or achieve financial freedom. So that's what we want to our community, those who are using DeFiners to get to reach or achieve financial freedom in a very decentralized way where everyone is a stakeholder at DeFiner. So this is why we're functioning, we work, and we actually, everything that we do right now is for you. We want to make sure that you're successful and that you are growing your wealth with DeFiner. So it's very important to understand that. So with that little introduction, we want to kind of give you a few updates over the past few weeks, what's happened. And one of the major things that's going for us right now is our Multichain Initiative. So as you have heard from us in the past, we know and we believe that the future of DeFi is multi-chain. We want to make sure that we offer the best transaction fees, like the cheapest transaction fees, the fastest transaction, and make sure that you're successful in what you do and with your funds, so you can get more bang for your buck. So one of the things that we're doing is building on other chains. Right now, we are on building on Polygon. So if you haven't heard yet, we have a testing environment on Polygon that you can go and test it out, so that we can know what's working, what you think. We want to make sure that we give you the best user experience possible in the DeFi space. So some of you may ask, why is DeFiner building on Polygon? And that is a valid question. We have lots of other chains out there, but as you know, DeFiner itself, smart contract, is built on Solidity. That's a programming language for writing Ethereum-based smart contracts, right? So Polygon is kind of like the perfect fit for us, because that's Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, as they call themselves. They're a scaling solution for Ethereum, and transactions there are much faster and cheaper for their users. So what does this mean? That we can bring all the benefits that DeFiner already has on Ethereum and go on to Polygon, and it's even better with how transactions work. So this is a very, very important step on Polygon. So if you want to go to our staging environment, our testing environment, I'm actually going to post this. You can find it online, but I'll post it on our Discord general discussion. Is staging.definer.org, staging.definer.org, and you can find some of your favorite tokens there. Let me just post it right there. And you're going to see a link in the description as well if you're listening to this in a later date after our live session. So you can go explore. I wanted to know about, what are some of your favorite tokens on Polygon? What are some of those tokens that you treasure, that you like to hold on Polygon, that you like to profit off of, etc.? If you don't mind, please, comment, tell them, and we're eager to hear what you have to say, or put them in the comment section on our thread, etc. We want to make sure that we're covering all your bases, that we're offering what you want. On our staging environment on DeFiner for testing, you're going to see some of the most popular coins on Polygon. You're going to see Bitcoin, of course, and Ether. There we're going to have Matic from Polygon, QuickSwap, Sushi, DAI, and USDC, and some other stable coins, including, and of course, we have our Fin token there, our beloved Fin. So it's a good way to start testing and using Polygon, or DeFiner on Polygon. So in the next couple of weeks or so, you expect to hear from us and our official launch on mainnet. Just be aware of that, and tell your friends. I think that's important to spread the word. This is going to help you, your friends, everyone to get to give that power, empower you and other people to get to a place of financial freedom, and at a very low cost. So yeah, I put the staging link or the testing environment on there. You can find it and find it on our website, our social media channels, and yeah, you can start lending, earning with DeFiner on Polygon right away. So yeah, that's one of the major updates that we have, DeFiner building on Polygon. So after Polygon, just to give you a quick update, our multi-chain initiative includes other chains, right? BSC is a big one, Binance Smart Chain, that we're exploring. We're exploring other chains like Near, Aurora, Harmony, that you might have seen posts about Harmony in the past, and other chains as well. So you're gonna hear from us very soon about our updates on our multi-chain initiative. So make sure you stay tuned and follow us on social media. Hit the subscribe button and follow us and become a DeFiner, right? That's why we're here. So I want to cover, after this multi-chain initiative, I just want to be grateful for and thankful for our ambassadors. And we actually have an ambassador program at DeFiner, and that is something that we are building. We started a few months ago, and our program now has over 20 ambassadors, and they're from all over the world. They're contributing, and they're just great people. So you're gonna see them around our communities, helping you, giving you support, posting, and giving feedback, etc. So please interact with them. They've been selected because of their skills, because of their desire and passion for crypto and DeFi. So I just wanted to mention that if you or anyone you know, you have what it takes to bring DeFiner to the next level, and you're passionate about the crypto industry, you have the experience in marketing, design, operations, etc., make sure you go to our website and go to the link and go to the ambassador program, and there you can apply. We have different tasks if you think you're into social media posts, hosting AMAs, meetups, something like this that we're doing this live session at this point, and maybe later other people will listen to us as kind of a podcast type of stream. You can, as ambassadors, and can get involved in this. If you're good at making visuals, videos, etc., publish articles, translations, manage communities, and so much more. You have this and many other opportunities as an ambassador. So go to our website, check it out, and you'll be surprised. There are great people working as DeFiner sharks, as we call them, because they're truly very persistent, resilient, and willing to help in whatever way, shape, or form. So grateful for those ambassadors. I wanted to just mention that so that you can start engaging with the ambassador program if you have that what it takes and you have that passion for the crypto industry. Now, I want to kind of briefly follow up with our APR, deposit APRs, and maybe some of you may be familiar with this, some of you may not, but that's pretty much what you earn by being or depositing funds to the DeFiner dApp. So when DeFiner, as I mentioned at the beginning, is a DeFi, decentralized finance lending protocol for crypto savings, loans, and payments. And that's a big part of it, the savings part, and then taking loans and lending, borrowing, that you can leverage your tokens, right? You can go onto our app, going to app.definer.org and exploring the different crypto assets that we have on there. So just to give you a brief update of our APRs on our app, we have two blockchains right now that we're on. It's Ethereum and OEC, previously OK Exchange. So what we have here on Ethereum, you can see that the Fin token is almost like 27% plus 11% in Fin. So that's what, 38%, 39% that you get, and this is annual based APR for having your Fin tokens on the DeFiner platform. And some of you may ask, so where do I find Fin, or where can I buy, trade Fin tokens? So the Fin token, it's listed on many major exchanges, like centralized exchanges, and also DEXs. So you can find us on Uniswap, also on Gate. Gate is a big one. MEXC, you can find us there. Who, they are different, Ascendex, Hotbit, etc. So those are some of the few centralized exchanges you can find DeFiner on, and there you can get the token, move it onto DeFiner, and this is on the Ethereum network, and that way you can start earning. You have stable coins like USDC. I see here now that the APRs over combined APRs over 30% USDC, DAI as well over 33%, 34%. USDT, another stable coin, over 20%, 23%. And then we have other coins, right? The classic Bitcoin and Ether. Bitcoin is at over 40% APRs on the Ethereum mainnet, and Ether is at about 5%. So they're really good rates, and you have other tokens as well. So I invite you to take a look at the Ethereum mainnet of DeFiner, and then we have the OEC network. And you can also leverage your tokens there and have one of the best, I mean, in my personal experience, they have one of the best APRs in the market, and what DeFiner has. So on the OEC network, the Fin token is about 1.5%, but you have Bitcoin and Ether. Bitcoin is over 45% right now, and Ether over 40% APR. So those are great returns on your crypto assets. If you're using OEC as well, USDT is at over 60% for your tokens, which is amazing. And just give you an example of OKB, for instance, which is OEC. On OEC, it's over 107%. So explore our app, and that way you're gonna see a wide variety of tokens and ways that you can earn using the DeFiner app. So make sure you go to app.definer.org. You're gonna find it in the description. You're gonna find it on our website when you go, and that way you can make your money work for you. That's what we want. So that is great. Great to know that you have this resource in DeFiner. So just wanted to give you an update as well on different opportunities with DeFiner. And just so you know, our team is growing. Our team is growing fast, and we're looking to hire people with different backgrounds, different skills. If you're someone who's looking for an opportunity in the crypto space and DeFi, this might be your chance. So you can go to our careers website. We're going to post it in the description. You can find it on our website. But we're hiring marketing interns if you're interested in using your marketing skills to grow this organization, this project, DeFiner. Come on over, and if you're great communities as a community manager, we have an open position for that. UI UX, if you're a graphic designer, DeFiner might be the place for you. I already mentioned the DeFiner ambassadors. So if you want to become a DeFiner shark and use your skills to help the community and earn Fin tokens along the way, come on over. and other opportunities like developers, full stack developers, senior smart contract engineers. You're also welcome to apply and help take DeFiner to the next level. So come and go to our careers page and apply there, and we'll make sure our team reviews your application and come join our team. So awesome. I wanted so far, now that we've discussed, our Multichain Initiative, who we are as DeFiner, what we do, the earning with DeFiner, and the benefits that you receive when you're with DeFiner, and the ups and the pros of DeFiner, and what that we're hiring, right? For you and some of the people that you know. Make sure that you go to our website and click on that on those links and apply and join our team. I have a few surprises now, and I think that they will be very, very important as we move forward with this. I think this is new. Our this kind of format, our update, live sessions, and I just wanted to give you a few, updates on what's going to happen from now on. And we have a little bit of a gift for you, right? For being DeFiner, for being in our community, for being with us or staying with us along the way. And this format will continue, but what we're going to do is starting in a couple of weeks from now, so our next session, our next live session, we're going to go on Twitter. So we're going to go on Twitter Spaces. We have a big community there, and you can invite your friends, invite everyone you know to come and join us and experience with us what it's like to be a DeFiner over, from now until next time. So we're going to do this about every couple of weeks, if not more frequently. But we want you to be a part of this because we want to hear from you, what you have to say, your comments, your questions, and we're going to bring people to our discussion. So we want to have more people here with us and participating and engaging with you and with our community. So you're going to find that it's coming. It's a process, it's a working process. So and a great thing that is coming as well is that starting very soon, we will have a rewards, like a social mining program rewards. So make sure that you participate, that you invite your friends and to these live sessions. Make sure to follow us on our social media channels that you find on our website or description of this session, etc., so that you stay in the loop of what's coming. And then when you participate later on, you'll get those rewards for being here, for being an active DeFiner and staying and being with us. So we care about you and we want you to succeed, as I said at the beginning. So this is important. So that is a little bit of a teaser, a surprise for all of you who are joining us now or maybe later. And I'm saying later because these live sessions, we will publish them at a later date on our social media channels, maybe YouTube. So if you want to go and come here and subscribe to a YouTube channel, if you're looking at it now live or maybe later, hit that subscribe button, and that way you can stay up to date with our latest news and latest discussions and partnerships and what's coming. So you can have that kind of into what we do with DeFiner. So that's what I wanted to tell you, for next time. Just keep inviting, keep coming, keep learning. Let's keep growing together at DeFiner. Until next time, Jeral here from DeFiner. Have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.